Under the gentle glow of the new moon, a moment of infinite possibility is born. Tonight, we embark on a journey of transformation. Just as a seed holds the promise of life, within you lies the potential to grow, to change, to become more than you ever imagined. The path to transformation is not without its challenges. It's a journey through the unknown, a test of courage, resilience, and strength. Change is the essence of life. Embrace it, for every ending is the promise of a new beginning. Today, under the new moon, make a commitment to yourself, to grow, to dream, to become who you were meant to be. As the new moon illuminates the night, let it light your way to a future you create. Share your new moon commitment with the world, and let's journey together. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in growth and transformation. Your next chapter begins now.